Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
In this one, we'll be covering Redux Essentials. So, what is Redux and why do we need it? Redux is a state management library for JavaScript applications, primarily used with React. It helps manage global state efficiently by providing a predictable and centralized way to handle data flow. Problems Redux solves are avoids drop drilling in React. It ensures consistent state across components, provides a structured, debuggable state management system. There are three core principles of Redux. First one being single source of truth. The entire application state is stored in a single object called the store. State is read-only. The only way to change the state is by dispatching an action. Changes are made using pure functions. State updates are handled by reducers, which are pure functions that take the current state and an action, then return a new state. So if we have to talk about the Redux flow, that is understanding the data flow, the Redux architecture follows a unidirectional data flow. So we have action, then we have reducer, then we have store, and then the UI. So action is a plain object describing what happened. Reducer is a function that calculates the new state. Store holds the application state, and view, that's the React UI, subscribes to the store and re-renders on state changes. Now in the next one, we'll see how we can install Redux, and then we'll cover the core concepts like store, actions, and reducers. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.